Hello Nainar, a quick tutorial for you, a quick video, just to go through this homework. I got some messages from you guys saying that you didn't understand what to do, and one of you was not here, was not in classroom. So here's one for you. Hopefully it will be short and fun. Okay, so the homework is just to complete a search for your ideal laptop. Imagine you want to buy a laptop and you need to search these laptops. You don't buy the first thing. Okay, this is my first advice to you. You don't go and buy the first thing you find. You have to shop for things, find the best option for you, the cheapest option if you can. So that's what we need to do. We need to find some laptops, compare them. Okay, find some laptops, compare them, and see how which one to go for. So let's start. I gave you the task is to compare 5 laptops. So find and compare 5 laptops. List the specifications in the spreadsheet attached to this assignment. So I attached these spreadsheets for your own use. You can use this spreadsheet. So, and then you need to fill in the spreadsheet with the specs of the 5 laptops you found. Add the column after price and name it picture. This is a challenge if you can. So this is to teach you spreadsheet, because I'm not going to just teach you database with this exercise. You will also learn spreadsheet. Insert a picture of each laptop inside the cell. A cell is the box in the spreadsheet, one of the boxes in the spreadsheet table. And then resize the cell to make the picture visible. So we first focus on the comparison of the 5 laptops. So if I open my let's open our spreadsheets to see. The spreadsheets has got 1, 2, 3, 4 some columns. Each column has got heading. Each column has got a heading. And as you can see, I put a background for the headings, just selecting this and choosing the background. As you can see now, let's have a look. Boring. Let's do blue. Okay, so we have our table. I gave you the first example. I found a Mac 2024 MacBook, an Apple 2024 MacBook Air, 13-inch, the display. macOS, 256 to 512 GBs. The type of hard drive SSD, and so on. These are the specifications. So now, if I want to compare laptops, where do I go? And I told you in the requirements, you can use Google, you can use Amazon, you can use eBay, or you can use any other website to find the laptops. So let's find our laptops. If I can, let's go here and click and then find. Let's start with Amazon, okay? Let's start with Amazon and let's click laptops. All right, so we have laptops. Here you go. You have loads of laptops. Can you see? And it's different display sizes. They're different. Okay, so now if I click on one of them, and let's see what happens. If I click on one of them and I go down, you have the information for the laptop. Some information. If you click on see more product details, you have now 5 laptops side by side that you can have the information about. Okay, so let me take one of them. These are okay, let's go to these ones and let me take the Asus. Let me take this one, Asus VivoBook. Okay, so now Asus VivoBook, let me click on it and get the name. Asus VivoBook, whatever. All right, Asus VivoBook. I'll just take the name. Okay, copy, and then I go to my sheet. Okay, not this one. Okay, so to find my sheet. No, yes, not this one, and not this one. Okay. My sheet is hidden behind. Alt, Shift Alt and go like this. No. I'm trying to find how to get back to the sheet. Okay, nice. Okay, this is my sheet. Yeah, again. So my laptop now, I found is this one. It's called Asus VivoBook. Okay, so I have Asus VivoBook, and then we go to get Amazon, and let's go back to our comparison and see what we find there. So where's my lovely Asus VivoBook? Let's go again, Asus VivoBook 15. Okay, let's get this one. So we found an Asus or as whatever, as something, Asus VivoBook 15 something. Okay, so let's find the information now. All right, so this is the CPU. Okay, I already have. I don't know if you know this. I already have here my CPU. Okay, the Intel, my RAM, and my hard drive. Okay. But I'm not gonna ask you complicate things for you. Just go down and see more details. And then you have the titles here. You have the titles, the headings, and then you have the information. So it's VivoBook 15. That's what we found. VivoBook 15. Asus VivoBook 15. Now display. Let's find the display. 15, here you go. Standing screen display, 15.6. 15.6 inches. Here I'll put 13 inches. 15.6 inches. Okay. And what operating system does it have? Probably Windows. Okay, Windows 11. I'm sure Windows 11. Here you go. Windows 11 Home. Copy it quickly. You know, right click or Control C, and then go to the operating system, and that's our. Make sure to only save the values so you don't get different formatting. Hard disk size. Where is the hard disk size? Hard disk size, hard disk size, hard disk size. We didn't find the hard disk size here. Let's see. I found it here, look. 512 GB. So remember what I'm showing you. 512 GB, that's the size, okay? 512 GB. So you need to understand these parts of a computer. What I'm trying to, teach you is for you to understand the parts of the important parts of the computer. So the hard disk, the memory, the RAM, and remember, the type of RAM, and try to search for what is RAM. Why is the RAM volatile and the storage non-volatile? So you search for these things. You don't wait just to be taught. You go and search for them yourself. So now we had 512, and the type of hard drive. The type of hard drive, SSD. The type of hard drive is SSD. You can always search Google. You can find. Okay. So I'm gonna take this. Okay, and I'm gonna go and open myself a new tab. How do I open new tab? Control Shift New. Wow, look at that. This is private now tab. I don't need private tab. Control New. New window. Okay, that's fine. Control New is good. So now I just say hard drive type. Okay, just quickly. And then it gives you everything. Look. This is 512, M2, NV, whatever. You can add this. If this is what you found as information, add this SSD. Here you go. SSD. Can you see it? SSD. So just find your stuff. Don't worry about, searching, exploring. That's what you do as a computer scientist. So that's what you do when you do computing, okay? So the RAM, let's go back, DDR4, the RAM is there. Here you go, RAM tech or RAM type, DDR4, and the RAM size, not there, is here, DDR4, 16 GB, maximum RAM size, okay? Copy, 16 GB. I'm just copying, can you see? Maximum 16 GB, there you go. And what L2 cache, can you see L2 cache? L2 cache, they have L2 cache, but where is the size? The size of the cache. The processor speed, we need processor speed. 4.4 gigahertz. 4.4 gigahertz. That's very, very fast. The type Core 3. There you go. Modular type Core i3. Number of cores. Number of USBs, number of cores. Number of processor type. Processor count 6. Number of cores. This is what the processor count means. The number of cores is 6. But don't take my word for it. Let's search. Let's search for this and then new tab to the right. There you go. Very easy. That's how you learn, very quickly, very easy. Core i3, number of cores. Every detail, every information you have on that table, you can turn it into a search. Okay, you can turn it into a search. It's dual core. They are dual core. So they have 2 cores, not 6 as I said. I'm wrong. And Master Google is right. So they have 2 cores, okay? Let's do 2 cores. Again, so PCI 2 hard drive interface, speakers, L2 cache, which means it has a level 2 cache. So it has level 1 and level 2, additional cache basically. It's an additional cache. Okay, cache size. Let's again find our, let's try now Shift N, no, Control Shift N, I said no, Alt N, Window N, nope, let's go like this, fine. Create a new tab, there's no shortcut for the creating new tab, let me check. No shortcut, okay, create new tab, here you go. There was a new tab there, so now, i3, okay, and then cache size. Core i3 cache size, here you go, 12 megabytes, okay, 12 M, that's 12 megabytes. So we go back and say 12 MD. That's also big for a how do you say, for a cache. It's quite big for a cache. And now the last thing to do is the price. And 319 and 99. So 319.99 and it's pounds. Okay, so that's that. Now the challenge for you was to add an image of this thing. Image or picture, and then you find the screenshot, you find the picture of the laptop and add it here. That's your challenge. This is a video how to do this task. Good luck and try to do it, and then try to go and find out about the difference about the RAM, the hard disk, the storage, the memory, the volatile, non-volatile. Try to find out more. Good luck, and I'll see you in our next lesson. Bye.